Hey, it's Rick and welcome back to the channel. You know, from time to time I do product reviews. This is going to be on a product review. This is Ashley's furniture delivered right to the house here. We're getting 4 dining room chairs and a dining room bench that's going to go around our homemade table. And I'll put a link to that up at the top there, or put a card, show you the table that we constructed. And that's what we're using. Homemade Farmhouse Shishuggi bond burned wood table with wrought iron legs. So anyway, to get to this is how it came. Looks like it's pretty well packaged up. It's got styrofoam all around it. Hard cardboard box. Doesn't look like there was any damage or anything that came through. The model numbers on the chairs are D776-01, Millenium by Ashley. And the bench is a D776-00, made in Vietnam. So when you see Ashley, it doesn't mean that they make it here in the United States. This stuff comes from all over the place. So I'm going to get to it. I'm not going to really show you the install here. It's got all the hardware and stuff like that. Little strapping system here. I'll pull the pieces apart. There's an Ashley flyer there. This is the underside. Instructions. Desiccant packet, I guess, so things don't get wet. Tries to keep the moisture out, obviously, since it's coming that far and shipping that far. Let's get to there, and I'll go ahead and assemble it, and we'll give you an idea what we think of it. All right, so here's the bench. It's completely unpacked now. Legs come loose. They just lay right up against the side there, and you see these bolts here. They go in with an Allen wrench. They give you an Allen wrench. It comes with the kit. It's right there. I have a nut driver. I'm using that. Now, what I would recommend is just snug these. Don't go crazy. Just, shake on these and make sure they're not loose. You don't want to go too much, because I don't know how stiff and rigid those cross supports are, which they might strip out as a screw hole or might split that cross support. So try it out first. You can always snug it a little bit more if it's loose. But once you snap it, you're in trouble. Just a quick tip. It's probably going to be the same way with the chairs. So these are the chairs. I wanted to show you how they were boxed up. Got some styrofoam on top. Protect them that way. Your instructions, just like the other one was. Chairs are laying on top of each other with a layer of cardboard in between. And there's 2 chairs per box. So let me go ahead and take them apart and assemble them. Okay, so these chairs are going to come in multiple pieces. The legs right here I had to bolt on. You see the screws right there. That bolts onto the seat. And then you have screws that are going to come in through the back there. They're going to bolt into the backrest. And also, you're going to put these leg pieces on. Okay, so this completes our vision. This is what it looks like when it's all assembled. Actually turned out pretty nice. This bench turned out nice. The chairs turned out nice. They're pretty stiff. I've sat in them. I weigh about 225. And we've had some other guests that are going to be here that are a lot larger than I am. And I think they're a 300 load capacity. So we'll find out. I'll have to do a follow-up on it and let you all know at a later time. Assembly wasn't too bad. It did take a little while from when I started it. You're going to have, the proper tools. Or even if you use that Allen wrench, your hands are going to be a little bit tired. After a while, you may have to break and maybe hit it another day. But overall, I think this is going to work for us. It's the look that my wife was looking for our modern farmhouse. I just handheld this video. I hope you guys like it. Once again, do me a favor. That subscribe button's been run down there in the corner. Go ahead and hit that. That bell icon is on YouTube. Smash that bell icon and let YouTube know you like our videos. Give us a thumbs up and a like. And please share with your family and friends. If I have any links to this or any other products, I usually put them on the description page on YouTube. I don't know if Ashley carries this particular model, but I'll put it on there if I have it. Once again, everybody, I hope you're healthy, happy, and good luck with this purchase if you buy it. Take care.